Hi friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today we will go through one of the case study for pivot table in which we will find out what type of movie genre did total sales, minimum and maximum sales, count for those tickets, count for those sales, and the percentage of grand total. Here you can see set of data is the same data which we used in last video, which is having date, customers, new or existing customer, movie genre like this, okay. Then regions in India, north, south, east, west, and platforms Disney, Geo, Sony Live, and the sales for that platforms, okay. So here we can see set of data. Let me just delete this last one. Because of this you will get the extra entry. Then to create table, what pivot table, you will click under insert pivot table and from table, okay. You want to create this pivot table in Q4 sheet, which is here Q4 sheet, and the location will be here, okay. Let me just select once again. Select this table, insert, pivot, existing worksheet, Q4, and this one. Okay. Now we will be adding movie genre here and the sales amount here. Now we want to find the minimum, maximum, and count. For minimum, add this sales once again. For maximum, once more, count. Okay. And last one is percentage of grand total. Now to change this into minimum, maximum, how you will be converting it? Just do right click, summarized value as minimum, minimum sales, then right click, summarized value as maximum, do it once again, summarized value as maximum. I think this one is maximum, then right click, summarize value by count. Then last one, we are looking for percentage of grand total. For that, you will do right click and summarized, not the summarize, you will go on the option as show value as percentage of grand total, which was introduced in 2010 in Excel. So you will select the option as show value as and percentage of grand total. So in this way, you can analyze your data. Thank you.